sa family side namin nila Becky at saka sa family side nila Chloe. So can you imagine rounding up everybody without being noticed by anyone? And then suddenly they get tara, voila. Anyway, tell me about the all the things you had to go through, arrangement, and how exciting you are for the engagement. And where was this?
Sure. So I guess like first I had to talk to the parents to ask for their blessing.
Oh yes,
So that
of
was
course.
like maybe like 6 weeks ago.
Okay.
Before I asked, and then a couple of like a week after that, I went to San Francisco just to check out some
The
spots,
place, yes.
some places. So there like a couple of my friends recommended like Sutra Bats. I also went to like Point Lobos, and then also checked out Treasure Island.
Mm-hmm.
But like the spot that really really got me was Baker Beach,
Baker.
because I've been there before too, and it has a really good view of the bridge.
Yes,
I think,
yes,
like,
yes.
For me, like I don't know, since we're in San Francisco, I want to incorporate like
Yes, of course.
the view of the Golden Gate Bridge. So yeah, and then it has a good, it's a good spot for for sunset wise, like taking pictures and all that.
Yeah.
So I went there, and then I saw this like structure. I wasn't even expecting that there was a structure there, but I was just walking down the beach. Chloe didn't know I was there. She was busy doing something else. So she was she wasn't checking up on me that much. So I wasn't lying or anything. She just didn't ask where I was. So I was like, okay, I'm just here. Just going around, and then I saw this. Like I was walking down the beach and I saw this structure. It's like a wooden structure. I don't
Yes,
have a
yes,
picture
yes.
here.
You saw that one.
But I thought of like, oh, this could be a good spot to
Yes.
arrange something here, and then from an angle it has a good view of the bridge in the background. So I picked that spot. So that was maybe like 4 weeks ago, and then a week before I proposed, I actually went back there again to make sure that structure is still there, because I don't know who put that there, who installed it, what it means. So just want to make sure it's still there, good to go for the week after. So.
You wasn't sure that the Park City is gonna haul it out
Yeah, I don't know
last
what it's
minute.
for, yeah. So-
Ganyan. Yeah, because when I saw the video, yung caption na, no, because I also videotape. So it's all about blocking, tawag namin sa camera. When you block things, nakikita mo yung sa safe zone na ganon. Pag if you're shooting 16:9, wide angle, tinitingnan mo yung safe zone na ganon, may marker ka sa camera, sa monitor na ganon. So the way you position your camera, kaya nakita ko yung niya, ang ganda ng angle kasi very subtle yung Golden Gate is right in the background, very subtle. And then for a second, I thought there was a photo bomber. May hawak na gitara, no? But tinignan ko, sabi ko, si pala dito ako. Si Elijah pala yung nakahawak ng gitara. So
What was that? Yeah, so before I asked my Chloe's parents, I asked my parents first. I told them.
Yes.
I gave him a heads up what's coming.
yeah.
And then I told my brothers too, and then a couple of weeks later, I asked Elijah if he could play the guitar, because he's really good playing guitar.
Oh yes. So,
it was like I trust his ability, so I was like, can you play this song?
Siyempre, mga nagmana, alam mo naman pinagmanahan nila, di ba? But anyway, what do you like to say sa side ni Chloe, and what do you want to say to Chloe and the rest of her family?
For her family, I told her parents already, but I just want to say thank you for accepting me in your family. They've been really very welcoming, and you could feel the love in their family, for our relationship. So for Chloe, sucks you're not here, but thanks for saying yes. I guess. And looking forward to more memories together.
Yes, yun. Siyempre, congratulations to Jai and Chloe for being engaged last Saturday. And they called me on the phone. Kasi sabi ni Jai sa akin, Uncle, can you cue your phone na ganyan? Ang dala-dala ko yung dial pa na phone kaya akala niya magfe-FaceTime kami, hindi po pwede ka ako, I still have my brick phone. But anyway, that was nice consideration for you. If there are two things that you would like to be thankful for, and you can always stretch it out, plus or minus, during this Thanksgiving weekend, what are those things?
First, I guess my family, my parents and my brothers, they've been a really great support system for me.
Okay.
So yeah, first my family, like my immediate family, and also my extended, like my relatives, like the
Yes.
Barcena de la Vega family. So I'm really thankful for them because they're always there for me, good times and the bad.
Aye.
And then second, I guess like Chloe, my fiance.
Yes.
She's stuck with me all these years. But we've been together for almost 6 years now before.
Yes, yes.
engaged, so-
I remember way back when
Yeah,
we had the
so-
family reunion way back pa
Yeah.
dun sa na ganyan.
So yeah, thankful for all those. I want to add more, but those are the top things.
All right. Tinan nyo naman. Oh, by the way, si Jai, he also plays guitar. Tinan nyo na, kung kanino nagmana talaga yan, hindi ko na dapat sabihin, di ba? He plays the guitar. And in case you're wondering, sometimes I use one of my photo on Facebook with the guitar. I'm playing the guitar with my hand, and he captioned it right the focus na yung Zoom. Actually, Jai took picture of that when I visited them one time. Noong ando dito pa lang sila. Anyway, again, Jai and Chloe. Wala si Chloe kasi, but we'll include Chloe just like our very own in the family. Welcome, and to the rest of the Chloe family, we welcome you also to the folds of the Barcena and the Valera clan. And it would be a nice milestone, sabi ko nga, for better things in life. Na ganyan. Congratulations to you, Jai and Chloe.
Thank you.
And thanks for stopping by. Ayan. See, mga good looking talaga mga pamangkin ko. Kanina nagmana yan. Hindi ko na dapat sabihin. Ayan, ganyan. And of course, the nice upbringing from your parents, Jojo and Becky. Ayan. See, thanks again, Jai. And last parting shot.
Thanks for having me. Just want to say hi to my family, like my Lola and my relatives in the Philippines.
Correct.
My Lola, she's like turning 90 next year. And then my Ninang and Ninang Joyce, Ninang Jerry, and family. Hi.
At by the way nga pala, ang plano na pa lang, syempre everything is planned, subject to changes naman sa kanilang wedding eh. Sinasabi na nagpapasing destination wedding daw eh. Kaya ako kailangan pumunta na sa casino para magkaching-kaching, baka tumama ako ng 777 ganyan. Again, Jai and Chloe for that matter, thank you very much.
Thanks for having me.
Okay, salamat Jai, and we're gonna play. Ito naman po. Para sa aking mga kaibigan dyan na nakikinig sa Radyo Filipino Amerika, kasalanan bang mahalin ka ng lubusan?
Tulala sa isang tabi at di mapakali, ating nakaraan minumuni-muni, di lubos maisip bakit nagkalayo. Kaya ngayon ako'y isang bigo. Nagkulang ba ako sa iyo? Kaya tayo ngayon nagkalayo. Walang nagawang kasalanan, kundi ang nagmahal sa'yo ng lubusan. Ako'y may natutunan sa aking karanasan. Mali ang magmahal agad ng lubusan. Tigilan ang damdamin kung kailangan, upang di masaktan kung ika'y iiwanan. Kasalanan bang mahalin ka ng lubusan, upang ako'y iyong iwanan? Bakit kung sino pa ang totohanan ay siya pa nililisan? Kasalanan bang
And of course, special request mo, Aurelio, is coming up next.
kung kailangan upang di masaktan kung ika'y iiwanan. Kasalanan bang mahalin ka ng lubusan upang ako'y iyong iwanan? Bakit kung sino pa ang totohanan ay siya pa nililisan? Kasalanan bang mahalin ka ng lubusan upang ako'y iyong iwanan? Bakit kung sino pa ang totohanan ay siya ba nililisan? Kasalanan bang mahalin ka ng lubusan? Kasalanan bang mahalin ka ng lubusan? Kasalanan bang mahalin ka ng lubusan?
And kasalanan bang mahalin ka ng lubusan? This is your DJ Sky on the year 29 November edition. Dito po we are broadcasting remotely from the beautiful capital city of Sacramento, right, Northern California, on the West Coast sa ating mga nakikinig sa buong mundo. Hello world dyan sa Paris, si Mel. Kumusta na po kayo dyan? Dyan sa Quezon City, sila Atenena, sila George, si Auntie, kinukumusta rin namin kayo. I don't have anybody right now here on the mic, but anyway, I'm gonna play another music. DJ Sky, ito po, Internet Radio, Radio Filipino America, yung only Internet Radio station. Pagpatuloy natin, this is by request by Aurelio. Pagpatuloy natin, Aurelio, just for you. Special request dyan kay Aurelio from Saudi. Dyan lang. At pagpatuloy natin mga kaibigan, and as we cue yung request ni Aurelio naman to, siyempre, yan. Here we go, Aurelio.
Everyone turns to see this beautiful lady walking around me, and then asked her, "Do you feel alright?" She said, "Yes, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful. I see the love light in your eyes, and the wonder of it all is that you just don't realize how much I love you." car key, and she helps me in bed. And then she asks me how she turns out the lights. She said, my darling, you were wonderful tonight.
Anyway, sa aking mga tagapakinig dito, DJ Sky on the Air, 29 November edition ng DJ Sky on the Air. Dito po, we are broadcasting through the facilities ng Radyo Filipino America. At the time is 12 minutes after 10. At siyempre, i-plug ko muna ito. At kung kayo nangangailangan ng professional help when it comes to immigration, bankruptcy, divorce, and taxation, magsadya po kayo sa American Legal Center. Dito po matatagpuan sa National City, 550 East 8th Street, Suite 11, National City, California, zip code 91950. Tawagan po si Ate Lou Bautista, ang manager ng office at 619-649-0069. Yan po, tawagan po 619-649-0069 when it comes to your professional help when it comes to immigration, bankruptcy, divorce, personal injury, and including taxation. Saan po? Sa American Legal Center ni Attorney Erwin Bautista. Ayan po yung ating mga ibang sponsors. Ipagpatuloy natin yung mga ibang sponsors natin. Kung kayo nangangailangan ng Real Estate Solutions, magtasya po sa Tazo Real Estate Solutions, care of Linda Taylor sa 619-857-9911. Kung kayo naman ay nangangailangan ng mga real estate sa Pilipinas, Mega World International, care of Paul Franklin Benfer Sr. at sa ni Katrina G. Benfer. Tawagan po sila sa 225-288-8711. That's Mega World International ni Paul and Katrina sa 225-288-8711. Kung kailangan nyo naman ng maintenance sa ngipin ninyo, magsadya po sa Family Dentistry. Ang owner si Eleanor M. Lumahan, si Dr. Lumahan, at saka si Dr. Eleanor Madrid Lumahan at si Dr. Lisa Lumahan. Tawagan po for appointments sa 619-336-6063. Yan po ang family dentistry ni Dr. Lumahan sa 619-336-6063. Kung kailangan nyo naman ng talent development, magsadya po sa Music Learning Center ni Rowie Messina, isa sa mga broadcasters namin, si Rowie Messina. Doon po sa National City, ang kanilang address ay 3403 East Plaza Boulevard, National City, California, 91950. Tawagan po sila sa 619-549-2045. Yan po, Music Learning Center ni Rowie Messina. Kung kailangan nyo naman ng pagpaganda, magsadya po sa Skin Deep Medical Aesthetics Center. Pag-aari ni Marcelina, Dr. Marcelina Derma, matatagpuan sa 4190 Bonita Road, Suite 211, Bonita, California, 91902-1340. Tawagan po sa kanilang front office sa 619-472-1914. Yan po ang Skin Deep Medical Aesthetics Center ni Marcelina Derma sa 619-472-1914. Kung nasa naman kayo, North County, magsadya po kayo sa M Beauty by Dr. Tess Mauricio. Nakikita niyo para si Dr. Tess Mauricio. She is also on television kay Dr. Oz. She was featured. Puntahan po nyo sa Scripps Rance ang kanyang klinika, ang Scripps Rance Dermatology and Cosmetics Center. Si Dr. Tess Mauricio ang matatagpuan ng klinika niya sa 9888 Carroll Center Road, Suite 101, San Diego, California, 92126. Malapit lang kay DJ Sky. Tawagan po sila sa 858-689-4990. Yan po ang MBT by Dr. Tess Mauricio sa 858-689-4990. Yun po ang mga sponsors namin sa Radyo Filipino America. But anyway, pagpatuloy natin ang ating programa. I don't have anybody on the hot seat right now, but kayo ba nakikinig 29 November edition ng DJ Sky on the Air, Radyo Filipino America, ang inyong only internet radio station. Ito po, si Mamang Police. Ano naman dyan, para sabi nga nila ay two things that you would like to be thankful for during this time of the year. It's a Thanksgiving weekend. Hello George, kumusta na dyan? Tama ka. Tama ka, insan, nasa blood natin ang pagiging music lover. Sabi ni George kasi we can sing and dance also. Sabi na, Joy and Jevi can play the sax and guitar. Pudno ang nababasang daken guwapo, sabi ni George. It's 2:30 in the morning na nakakamiss din sana mag-reunion tayo in the near future. Natulog na si Mami, regards daw sa inyong lahat. God bless. Yun ang message ni George sa kanya ate na nakikinig pa sila pasado 2:00 na madaling araw. Kaya nagpupuyat sila. Ganyan. Anyway, andyan din si Vera sa Miss Jane. They're traveling from Asbury, Virginia, heading towards passing through Savannah, Georgia, and then visiting the Sunshine State, Florida, Jacksonville, at saka yung kapatid ni Miss J. They're listening now from Wilson, North Carolina. Hello Ver, hello Miss J. Kumusta na po kayo dyan? Safe travel. Nagra-round trip sila, the whole US na ganyan. But anyway, salamat sa pagsubaybay mo. I did, binasa ko yung two things that Ver is also thankful. Yun ang inuna ko kanina, Ver. Anyway, I'll repeat that for the benefit of Ver and Miss J who are traveling from North Virginia. Nakalagay dito is sabi ni Ver, two things that he would have to be thankful for this time of the year is for having the chance to share Thanksgiving with the family doon sa Asbury, Virginia. And also for having Miss J sa kanyang trip from California to Virginia and back to California. Siyempre, yung dalawang yan, parang labi-dabi. Salamat din sa pagtangkilik niyo parati kay Ver sa Miss J who are traveling and visiting family and friends out there sa ating mga tagapakinig. But anyway, ipagpatuloy natin. Ito naman, awitin nyo at sumayaw kayo. Sabi nga nila, here's VST. Sayaw muna tayo. Kayo nakikinig sa DJ Sky on the Air 29 November edition dito po sa Radio Filipina America, remotely broadcasting from Sacramento.
Sa pagtitigil lang natin, sana ay di na mabukas itong awit ng pag-ibig. Awit natin ay huwag na makalimutan. Pangako ko naman na lagi ka pakikinggan. Matalagay na naman.
miss na kita. Sana'y ganun ka rin, sinta. Mga pangako mo, huwag sanang magbago. Yan ay aasahan ko. Halos gabi-gabi ang lagi kong dinarasal. Makapiling kang muli at sana'y di na magtagal. At ang tanging hiling ko lang sa puong may kapal, huwag sanang matukso doon ng aking mahal. Miss na kita. Sana'y ganun ka rin, sinta. Miss na kita. Sana'y ganun ka rin, sinta. Mga pangako mo, huwag sanang magbago. Yan ay aasahan ko. Miss na kita. Sana'y ganun ka rin, sinta. Miss na kita. Sana'y ganun ka rin, sinta. Mga pangako mo, huwag sanang magbago. Yan ay aasahan ko. Yan ay aasahan ko.
Brownie,
Ano yan, Beauty?
ibili mo nga ako ng bagong bra.
Beauty? Bakit ka pa magsusuot ng bra? Eh, maliit naman yung breast mo.
Eh bakit ikaw ha?
Oh,
Nagsusuot pa ng breast. Yun? I am both!
At saka mga kaibigan, the time is 25 minutes after 10. We're gonna do the roundup news here at ipagpatuloy natin ang roundup news ng Pilipinas. Ito po, at para sa ating mga kaibigan dyan at sa aking mga mga kaibigan at pagpatuloy natin roundup ng news at here's the roundup for the news. It's 26 minutes after 10 o'clock. Ito mga kaibigan, ang news roundup natin. Dalawang Philippine Air Force 2 fighter jets FA-50 from South Korea, made in South Korea, ang kamakailan ay na-deliver sa Clark Air Base. This is part of the 2 squadrons in its build-up of its Air Force sa ating Philippine Air Force. Ayan po. Sa larangan naman ng politika, andyan si Mayor Duterte who plans to retire from politics pag siya ay na-disqualify ng COMELEC. Sinabi niya dito sa kanyang bid sa run for President of the Philippines, kung siya ay madi-disqualify ay magre-retiro na daw siya bilang mayor ng Bacolod. Ito naman on the travel for the second straight year. Ang Palawan was named by the readers of Condé Nast Traveler as the best island in the world in its Reader's Choice Awards. Hollywood actress na si Margot Robbie agree. Sabi nga niya, doon siya nagbabakasyon siya doon sa Suicide Sand. Sa kanyang selfie doon sa waters of El Nido with the caption, "I think I died and went to heaven." Dito naman sa larangan ng terorismo, 8 po ang namatay dito sa Armed Forces operasyon ng Philippine Marines versus ISIS sa mga sympathizers sa kampo. Binanata ng pamilya ng mga Philippine Marines ang isang personality namatay was killed in the Marine operation sa Barangay Botril in Palimbang, Sultan Kudarat against the Ansar al-Khilafa Philippines, mga sympathizers ng ISIS. Ito, sabi, alam niyo ng ISIS, yung tawag nilang Islamic State of Iraq and Syria. Ang personality is Datumongan Dilangalen, a resident of Cotabato City. Dilangalen, kamakailan lang, sinabi niya kasi sa kanyang pamilya na siya ay pupunta doon at mag-aaral ng Quran. Yun ang sinabi niya kasi sa kanyang mga kamag-anak. Diyan daw siya mag-aaral ng Islam at saka Quran sa General Santos City. So they were surprised when they received the call from the Armed Forces of the Philippines na isa sa namatay, 8 sa isa, one of the 8 killed in Palimbang. According to 1st Marine Brigadier General, Commanding General Emmanuel Salamat, they were about to serve a warrant for the terrorist Muhammad Jafar Sabiwang Magid alias Tokboy when they were fired upon, resulting in a 4-hour firefight with the group of Tokboy who has ties with the Bangsamoro Islam Freedom Fighter. Kayo po pagpatuloy natin. Ito naman kamakamailan dito sa may Daraga Albay, an Italian Tomas Tonolio at saka ang kanyang companion si Karinen Lopez ay isa sa mga namatay, isa sa 3 namatay ng kanila'y salpukin ng isang cement truck. Dito ang kanyang passenger si Jovan, ang driver nila si Jovan Oviedo was killed in a smash up involving 4 vehicles sa may Maharlika Highway sa Daraga Albay. Ang initial police report showed that the truck loaded with cement rammed a jeepney. It was tailgating and then collided with the SUV Tonolia and Lopez were riding. Rescuers had difficulty extricating the victims out of the SUV due to lack of rescue equipment, kaya namatay yung 3 tao. And still missing, 8 na rescue for sinking off Vigan City. 8 crew members of a ship that sank off in Ilocos Sur on Saturday. They have been rescued by Philippine Coast Guard at sabi nila 11 passengers still missing. Kaya it was a Panamanian cargo vessel, MB Fortune, na lumubog sa may 130 nautical miles off Vigan City. Yung vessel was coming from Kaohsiung, Taiwan and route to Sarawak, Malaysia, carrying tons of mineral feldspar. Ayun po ay ang BRP Pampanga ng Philippine Coast Guard is proceeding to the area to further investigate the incident. Samantala sa Pilipinas, sa Manila, ang MMDA ay nag-umbisang magtow ng mga sasakyan along Mabuhay Lanes in Quezon City. Ang mga kotse nakaparada sa Mabuhay or Christmas Lanes na tinatawag nila sa Quezon City ay kasama sa clearing operations ng MMDA para mabigyan ng relief ang trafiko sa Quezon City. Some motorists even tried to argue with the traffic enforcers. Sabi nga nila na sila daw nagbaba ng mga bata sa may eskwelahan sa malapit doon. Pati na rin ang management ng school nakikiusap sa mga MMDA na patawarin yung mga nag-illegally park doon. Dahil dito, ginagawa lang na alternate route yung Christmas Lane during this time from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. daily. Pero sabi ng gobyerno, iso ay itong operasyon para mais ang traffic congestion dyan sa Manila. Eto naman, samantala isang babae ang nawalan ng 25,000 sa Magar sa Bagadian City. After withdrawing 25,000 from ATM, siya ay minag dito sa may Zamboanga del Sur ng mga taong nakamotorsiklo. Tumigil sila at tinutukan ng baril at kinuha ang 25,000 niya at gunpoint before speeding away. Eto naman samantala sa eleksyon, laban kay Duterte, isang broadcaster na nag-file ng petition versus Duterte's presidential bid. Ito po si Ruben Castor who filed a petition to disqualify Duterte under the PDP Lakas Bayan. Ang sinasabi ni Ruben Castor, ang COMELEC should not allow a travesty of justice and distortion of law as a substitute for PDP Laban standard bearer Martin Dino, who withdrew his presidential bid after question for his ability to run a national campaign. So, sabi ni Ruben Castor na nag-file ng claim ng against kay Duterte, according to Castor, Dino can only withdraw his certificate of candidacy for mayor of Pasay City because that was the post he aspired for in his original certificate of candidacy nga naman. Ayun, yan ang sabi niya. Kaya, it was a mistake. Hindi naman niya intended na mag-run ng presidente. On the other hand, sabi ni Duterte, I was nominated by Hugpong sa Tanong Lungsod for the position of Mayor of Davao. So, he only filed a COC for that position and not the PDP Laban na sinasabi nila para sa presidente. So, Castor, Ruben Castor, the filing person, stated that Duterte should follow the law and COMELEC should exercise its power to disqualify him. Kaya sabi pa ni Ruben Castor, also claimed that Duterte should file a protest against Senator Grace Poe. Kaya siya lang rumampa na maging kandidato ng presidente. Grace Poe is also facing a disqualification case sa kanyang certificate of candidacy. Yan ang eleksyon, yan ang mga round the news na balita sa Pilipinas. Nakakagulo. Basta sinabi mong eleksyon, parang pansit loglog. But anyway, kayo pinakikinig sa DJ Sky on the air sa Radyo Filipino America. Siyempre kayong mga bakasyonista, kaya nang narinig nyo kanina, Condé Nast has recognized for the second year in a row ang Palawan, El Nido, as one of the best islands na bisitahin para sa inyong mga bakasyon. Kayo ba nakikinig sa DJ Sky on the Air 29 November edition dito, remotely broadcasting from the beautiful capital city of Sacramento. You're tuning in to Radio Filipino America, your only internet radio station.
Sexy, nakatabi na rin. Bora, 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 di ka mababato dito sa Bora. Bora, 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 problema ni mawawala sa Bora. Bilog ang buwan, ang sarap magsayawan, ilabas na ang mga kalokohan. Tama na muna ang kadramahan, tara sa beach, doon tayo magkantahan. Bora, 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 di ka mababato dito sa Bora. Bora, 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 problema ni
As you know, sa ating mga listeners dyan, we are an extended broadcast, remotely broadcasting from the city of Sacramento.
Bora, 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 kasama ka na rin ngayon sa Bora.
Sabi ng bunso, nakalimutan daw binati yung si Melly. No, I did.
Sobrang saya
Yeah, si Auntie Melly ni Larissa is right here in front of me. I'm communicating with her anyway.
Babad ka
So that's why when I'm broadcasting, I'm communicating with everyone out there while they're listening.
katawa-tawa. Bora, 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 di ka mababanto dito sa Bora. Bora, bora, bora.
And of course, I know dyan sa Quezon City, it's almost 3 in the morning. Salamat po sa inyong pagtangkilik at sa extended broadcast ko.
Marami kang malalaman sa Bora.
And of course, salamat dyan sa inyo.
Bora, Bora, kasama ka na rin ngayon sa Bora. Kasama ka na rin ngayon sa Bora.
Ang pag-ibig ko sa'yo ay tunay at totoo.
Sintamis ng wine, sintatag ng sunshine.
At tunghayan mo sana ang aking pagsinta.
Langit ng puso ko, o ang pag-ibig mo,
Sinta,
nananaginip ng gising, nagkatulala sa hangin, nagsusumidhing damdamin. Kahit halik lang ang akin, nababaliw ako sa'yo. Bawat silakbo ng puso ko, sa isang sulok na lang umiibig sa'yo. Sinta,
damhin mo ang puso ko, laging tapat sa'yo.
masdan mong labi ko, nauuhaw sa iyo.
Sinta,
Nananaginip ng gising, nagkatulala sa hangin, nagsusumidhing damdamin. Kahit halik lang ang akin, nababaliw ako sa'yo. Bawat silakbo ng puso ko, sa isang sulok na lang umiibig sa'yo.
damhin mo ang puso ko, laging tapat sa'yo.
Masdan mong labi ko, nauuhaw sa iyo.
Sinta,
Nananaginip ng gising, nakatulala sa hangin, nagsusumidhing damdamin. Kahit halik lang ang akin, nababaliw ako sa'yo. Bawat silakbo ng puso ko, sa isang sulok na lang umiibig sa'yo. Nananaginip ng gising, nakatulala sa hangin, nagsusumidhing damdamin. Kahit halik lang ang akin, nababaliw ako sa'yo. Bawat silakbo ng puso ko, sa isang sulok na lang umiibig sa'yo. Sinta,
Yan po. At anyway, nakikinig po kayo sa DJ Sky on the Air, the 29 November edition ng remotely broadcasting from Sacramento, 41 minutes after 10 o'clock. And we're gonna start winding down here. And anyway, sa ating mga tagapakinig dyan sa room, salamat dyan. And let me go through the whole mga tagapakinig natin dyan. Si Mel ng Paris, andyan. Hello, Sister Chedora. Dinang natin si Melly. Dyan sa Mirameza, kumusta rin po kayo dyan, aking sister. Si Brad Orly did not show up, at saka si Nieves, saka sila Junel, they were not in the area. And Edwin also is with me for the rest of the evening. Kasama ko siya doon sa hotel. Ito si Miss Minda Marquez ng Vegan City. Andyan sila, si Miss Candid Carey ng Quezon City, si Emmy at saka si Dennis ng Chula Vista, si Miss Flor Viloria is out there also. Sino bang andyan sa room? I'm scanning si Ori Antonio ng Yanbo at sa mga tropang Samsung Engineering yan. Parating nakikinig kasi yung tropang yan. Same with Aurelio Gazman. Parating nagche-check-in din yan ng Saudi. Kumusta po kayo dyan? Let me see. Si Emmy, si Flor Viloria ng Chula Vista. I already called the name. Si LV, si Pinsan LV ng Virginia. Sabi niya, regards sa inyong lahat sa Sacramento and happy Thanksgiving weekend. Si Mel Cadawas Tejano, who is in Paris. Hello, sabi niya, sabi ni Miss Candid Carey, by the way, there are lots of things to be thankful. Ito, sabi nga nila. And para magandang tunog, ganito ang gagawin ko. Yan. Lagyan ko nung aking cue music for my words of wisdom. Ayan. Sabi ni Miss Candid Carey, for the two things that she would be thankful for this Thanksgiving weekend. There are lots of things to be thankful for in his life, DJ. Sabi niya, DJ Sky. And Thanksgiving Day is the time of the year to count our blessings. Aside from my family, I am grateful of all the good things, providential events, bad and good experiences, realization and lessons learned in life. I am thankful too for friends, for my best friend who journeyed with me these past years, for being my stable rudder, my reality check, and my peace during my crumbling moments. She is also thankful for the time of Sabbath, of rest, of reflection, and prayer. She's also thankful of time to discover more opportunities in life. Yun po ang message ni Miss Candid Carey dyan sa may Facebook Skyroom ko. And for the traveling couple, Ver and Miss J, salamat din na kahit na buwabiyahe kayo, you're always still tune in and they're listening from Wilson, North Carolina as they travel going southeast from Virginia. Ang tagal na ng ano yan. So it's taking them at least 2 weeks to make the roundabout. But I thank you, Ver and Miss Janet of Rancho Cocomonga for keeping in touch with us kahit na on the road kayo. And in behalf of your families also, we thank you. Happy Thanksgiving to the rest of your extended families out there in Asbury, Virginia. Si Insan LB, andyan din, nagpapasalamat din ako sa iyo, LV. Kahit paano, I know you're always busy also with your church out there. You find the time to tune in as usual, day in, day out, every Sundays. At gumagabay, and it's nice to see you also in the room. And in behalf of this family here, sa amin dito sa side dito, syempre, we also extend the Thanksgiving greetings sa iyo dyan sa Virginia. Si Miss Flor Viloria ng Chula Vista, sabi niya, nagpuputol-putol, sabi niya, yung signal. So it could be the internet, and I'm looking at my signal on my broadcast laptop. So minomonitor ko parati, kaya tinitingnan ko yung sa right side ko all the time. I hope it's being more stable. Sometimes we are at the mercy of the internet radio, and if it's sabi nga nila na yung nagpa-process na ganon, so it's taking the time sa ating broadcasting, and see how stable the internet radio. That's why time and again I watch the signal na make sure hindi ako nagdi-disconnect na ganyan. But thank you for your feed, Miss Flor Viloria. And of course, we're praying for you for your surgery. Sabi mo next week yata yung surgery mo. Our prayers for you, of course, in behalf of our Radio Filipino America family. And dyan sa Quezon City, ang pamilyang De Leon, salamat po Ate Nena. George, si Auntie, natulog na. Alam ko mag-alas 3 na ng umaga dyan. Sila Joy, yung mga bata dyan, yung greetings nga kanina ni George, pinapaabot niya yung mga greetings niya sa buong pamilya din, si Joy at si Jevi, for yung they can play the sax, mga family of musicians din mga yan. So anyway, thank you for keeping up with us, George and Ate Nena. Alam ko madaling araw na dyan sa Quezon City, and hope to see you again during the holidays as usual. We can have lunch or dinner like we usually do. Binabati ko rin ang aking kapatid, si Manang Hiling, sa Kalasila Chona, ang buong pamilya nila dyan sa may Farview, na tinatawag kong Farview. Binabati ko rin ang aking kapatid, panganay, si Manang Hiling Kalyos, ganyan. Si Mel Kadawas ng Paris. Thank you, Bats, for keeping in touch with us all the time. I hope be safe out there in Paris. So, masugid kang tagapakinig talaga na Bats ko rin, kahit ang layo-layo mo. But be safe out there, Mel, and thanks for tuning in. Si Miss Minda Marquez, another batchmate of Vegan City. Happy Thanksgiving din sa iyo, Miss Minda Marquez. Who actually one of the big boss dyan sa TESDA. Salamat din sa iyo, Minda Marquez, for keeping in touch with us and June. Si sister kong Melly, andyan din. God bless to you. Sabi niya, to the Sacramento folks, happy Thanksgiving once again. I miss you all, sabi ni Melly. Ganyan. So, sino pa nga dyan? I'm scanning the name. Si Aurelio Gasmen, nagpapasalamat parati kay Aurelio for tuning in with us. Si Ori Antonio ng Yanbo, nagpapasalamat din. Thank you very much. And of course, I already said about Ver and Miss J. Thanks for the greeting and enjoy listening to your broadcast with my husband. Si Mel, that is the more that I be thanking you again, Mel, for bringing in also ng husband. Naimbangal daw you up dita. Sapay ko man, one of these days I get to meet your husband also. I think I probably met him during sa reunion natin. But because of the recent tragedy dyan sa Paris, the whole world is focused on you, all of you out there, and I hope everyone is safe. Our prayers sa lahat ng mga ating mga naliligaw ng landas na dyan sa Paris. Siyempre, these are trying times for everyone dyan sa Paris, and I hope you remain safe. And again, once again, I can't thank you enough, Mel, and your husband for tuning in sa aking program every Sunday is DJ Sky on the air with Radio Filipino America. And salamat po. And then, who else is out there? In behalf of my family also here in Northern California, salamat po sa inyong pagtangkilik sa aking programa. Siyempre, nagpapasalamat din ako kay Sister Chedora. I'm queuing in and checking all the Facebook. Make sure I did not miss everyone out there. Kung sino man nakatune in dyan. Sa aking mga tagapakinig, and for my last finale, here's the song by Freddie Aguilar. Because we're going into the holidays, it's almost the end of November. Ang Pasko ay damdamin. Coming up. Happy holidays to everyone. Salamat po. In behalf of the Barcena and Valera Clan and in behalf of DJ Sky on the air, happy holidays and happy Thanksgiving.
Upang sinilangan ako'y muli magbabalik. O kay tagal di naman ang aking pagkalayo sa kagustuhan kong sa hirap buhay mahango. Maraming araw at gabi ang aking ginuno. Mga mahal ko ang nagpalakasan ng aking loob.
This is also for you, Noli. I know this is one of your favorite also.
Mga oras
At Noli and Gina in Ireland. Hello, kumusta po kayo dyan?
Pilipinas, pabilis ang tibok ng aking dibdib. Habang ang eroplano'y palapit ng palapit sa bayan kong kay tagal ding hindi ko nasilip. Ngayon ay muli ko na itong mamamasid. Unti-unting bumababa itong sinasakyan. Ang sabi ng stewardess, ituwid ang upuan. Lalapag na ang eroplano sa aking inanbayan. Ang sayang nadarama, walang mapagsinulan. Pasko ang damdamin.